This Kurdish gentleman is saying these Turkmen's tent for the entrance. From one side it has a different design, from outside has different design. So when we are upstairs, I will explain to you how they are woven. Cut. همین اینترنت رو درست کنه.
Vali Ansari is widely lauded on the internet as the guide and host for the northeastern city of Mashhad. His nonchalant, informative, warm and affordable homestay in the heart of the city comes recommended in every guidebook of Iran. A fact verified by his eponymous street sign at the corner of the alley by his home.
This is called four-season design Kurdish kilim. Kilim means carpet with no pile. So this has four seasons. This was woven by the Kurdish nomads of this province, near Buchan area. In this province, you can find Baluchi rugs, which they are dark colors, and then you have Kurdish rugs, and then we have these double-faced silk carpets. This is a double-faced Turkmen carpets.
Work-wise, Vali is learnt enough to be attributed as an expert on Persian rugs. He is well versed in the genesis, fabric, stitching techniques, and most importantly, methods of carpet repair.
If you remember, I told you about nomadic rugs of this province. I forgot to tell you that in towns of these provinces, such as Mashhad, Mojnor, Ain, and then in these towns like Kashmir, they make urban carpets. Urban carpets are usually different from nomadic. The nomadic rugs are usually woven by these nomadic people. There is no designer who draws the design. There is no wool spinner who spins the wool. And then there is no someone who dyes the wool. Usually the nomads, they dye the wool themselves. They spin their wool by hand themselves. The design, they receive it from their families, so the design is done by their heart.
While the city that Vali belongs to, Mashhad, is known to everyone as the holiest spot in Iran due to the residence of Imam Reza Shrine, it is also the center of Iran's world-renowned carpet industry. Particularly known for its nomadic rugs with aesthetic influences going back to prehistoric times. Unparalleled craftsmanship from Kurdistan and pockets of Afghanistan.